What is happening with Audacity series premiere recap, Breach Trust right now is more significant than most of the coverage suggests. Beneath the surface-level headlines, there is a story with much deeper implications for financial markets, for political stability, for the institutions and systems that most of us depend on every day. Today we are going to cut through the noise and give you the analysis that puts this story in proper context. We will cover the backstory, the key facts, the financial dimensions, and the most credible assessment of where this is headed. Let's get into it. Something fundamental is being left out of the public conversation about Audacity series premiere recap, Breach Trust, not by accident, by design. The version of this story you have been given is incomplete in ways that matter enormously. And the moment you start filling in the gaps, the entire picture shifts. Over the next several minutes, we are going to walk through exactly what happened, who is involved, what the numbers actually show, and why the institutions that shape public opinion have had a very strong interest in keeping you focused on everything except the most important details. What you are about to hear is documented, sourced, and deliberately kept out of mainstream reach. Reports are still developing and details may change. The story of Audacity series premiere recap, Breach Trust did not begin where the headlines say it did.